So for many building owners, they want to try and save money, and looks are not exactly the most important thing. On a roof like this, they did go with an upgraded rubber. Normally our standard is an 060 EPDM. This is an 075, but they wanted to go mechanically fastened so they don't have to pay for all the glue and the manpower to install the glue and wait for the dry time. One of the downsides for this type of a roof is that initially you're going to see a little bit of wrinkling in the membrane. That is completely normal, completely fine. It will shrink down just a little bit over time, and those wrinkles will pretty much smooth out. It does not affect the performance of the roof. If somebody has a roof that they're, let's say, looking out from windows over top of, and they want a really smooth, good, clean look to it, at that point we'd switch over to a non-reinforced EPDM rubber that's fully adhered. So everything would be glued down from one end to the other. You don't end up with the wrinkles in here if it's installed properly, and it's a much better looking roof. I prefer it, but it does add to the cost of the roof if somebody wants that done. So this is an example of what pre-taped EPDM looks like, and these are the seam tape. It goes with a wide seam tape on here to make sure that there's no issues of leakage at the seams. There's a backing paper that gets pulled off of here. There's a primer that gets put down on the rubber below, and then you have a nice wide 6-inch seam. And because it's pre-taped, it goes on a lot faster for the guys out in the field. They only have to worry about priming one side of the rubber as opposed to peeling it back, priming both sides, and then putting the seam tape on. On this roof, we've laid the EPDM. We've installed the flashings around the penetrations, and next we're waiting on the metal. That's being bent up at our shop right now, and the metal work should go on in the next couple of days so we have a finished roof.